What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. Right now I am going to do this little mini review on this license plate, and yes, my wife got upset because I said me. So we are going to do this review, but I am just going to show y'all the license plate just for the people that just wanted to see the license plate. So here it is. Now when you get it, it has this little plastic film on it. Alright, so there goes the plastic film right there. Right now we are putting my logo on this, and in order to do that we are using her device called the Cricut. I'll review that later once I start learning how to do it.
So basically there's two sides, black and white. So for the white, I'm gonna try and test out the infusible ink right here, or I'm going to do the permanent vinyl. And for the black side, I'm going to use white plain permanent vinyl.
Alright, you guys, so have fun on this little movie we doing. Okay, you guys, so in this Cricut system you can actually do your own decals, right? So right now my wife is putting it on this green thing right there, the mat, and now we're working on our YouTube play button.
I wanna hear salsa sound.
And there go the Cricut machine over there. Y'all see that at Joann Fabric, Walmart, Michael's, Hobby Lobby. Now she's ready to click these fancy buttons. Now should be making our little play button.
With the arrows.
Bringing the mat over. Gotta get all this type of tools, you guys, so be ready. It's not just about getting the Cricut and say goodbye. You actually have to buy extra accessories with this thing. And there you go. YouTube play button decal. Okay, you guys, so right here we are doing the Always Occupied decal, and then we have the Instagram and TikTok symbols. Now we left everything on one page because I wanted the YouTube decal to be red with the play button. So right here we are going to put it on, and y'all enjoy the rest of the video.
I wanna hear salsa sound.
Once again, you guys, you will need all these tools. And this is the tedious part. But she likes it, so. This is no joke. This is very tedious work. All right. Okay. Stay tuned.
Politics. is the price.
Don't record this shit.
So we are on her press right now. We actually got this press from Amazon. I will put a link in the description for y'all, just in case you want to know. So she used the press to make her shirts and other stuff.
Set and go.
Set and go. Here is something she did. Obviously, y'all know she made my shirts, my old shirts that I used to have. But this one here is a shirt for Stop Bullying. So she made this today. All right, Stop Bullying shirts. So these are orders that she had in. People buy the shirts from her. Obviously, she sells them. And these are my new branded shirts, always occupied. I will start wearing these when the weather kicks back in. All right, you guys, and here is the final results.
That's when I saw
All
the
right,
sign.
got my new
Charger
license
scared
plate.
enough.
These are my new tags right here.
Everything.
All
I
right,
did
you
for
guys,
Christ.
like,
I'd
comment,
spent my
and
entire
subscribe.
life trying so hard to